Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Zoho Books. Using Zoho Books isn't just about clicking around, it's about understanding how your entire financial system works in one place. If you set it up properly, it can handle invoicing, expenses, reports, and tracking your business performance. If you rush it, you'll end up confused later when numbers don't match or reports don't make sense. When you first open Zoho Books, the platform will ask you to enter your organization name and location. This is more important than it sounds. Your organization name is basically your business identity inside the system. It appears on invoices, reports, and communications. Your location determines things like tax rules, currency behavior, and compliance settings. So this isn't just setup, it's defining how your accounting will behave. After entering that, you click Let's Get Started. This moves you into setting up your organization profile, where you'll enter details like your industry, the state or region you operate in, and your currency. These settings help Zoho Books tailor the platform to your business type. For example, your industry can affect how reports are structured, and your currency determines how all your transactions are calculated and displayed. Once you complete that and click Get Started, you'll see a welcome pop-up. From here, click Show Me Around. This starts a guided tour of the platform, and this part is actually worth paying attention to. Most people skip it and then struggle later. The tour will walk you through the navigation panel, which is essentially your control center. This is where you'll access everything: sales, expenses, reports, banking, and more. Understanding this layout early saves you a lot of confusion later. Next, the tour shows you recent activities, which tracks everything happening in your account: transactions, edits, updates. This is useful when you want to quickly see what's been going on without digging through menus. Then it moves to the search bar, which is one of the most underrated tools in Zoho Books. Instead of manually navigating through menus, you can just search for anything: customers, invoices, reports, and access it instantly. After that, you'll see Quick Create. This is one of the most powerful features. Instead of navigating multiple steps, Quick Create lets you instantly create things like invoices, expenses, contacts, and more. It's designed to save time once you know what you're doing. The tour also shows you notifications, which alert you about important updates, like unpaid invoices, system changes, or reminders. This helps you stay on top of your finances without constantly checking everything manually. Finally, you'll see Settings, which is where all your configurations live. This includes your organization details, modules like sales, purchases, inventory, and even developer settings if you're integrating with other tools. Once the tour ends, you're ready to actually use the system. One of the first practical things you can do is use Quick Create to start working. For example, you can create an invoice by clicking on Invoices under Quick Create. Before you can fully use invoicing, Zoho Books may ask you to set your transaction preferences. This includes things like how you want invoices numbered, whether you want taxes applied, and other defaults. These settings affect how every invoice behaves, so it's worth setting them properly. After saving those preferences, you'll enter the invoice details. This includes the customer, the product or service, the amount, quantity, and any notes. This is where your actual business activity gets recorded. Once everything is filled out, you click Save and Send, which not only records the transaction but also sends it to the customer. At the same time, you can explore the Settings section more deeply. Inside Settings, you'll find Organization Settings, your business identity and details, Module Settings, how different parts like sales or purchases, Developer Settings, advanced integrations and customizations. This is where you fine-tune how Zoho Books works for you. To summarize, using Zoho Books begins with setting up your organization by entering your business name and location, followed by configuring your organization profile with details like industry, region, and currency. After completing the setup, you're introduced to the platform through a guided tour that explains key features such as the navigation panel, recent activities, search functionality, Quick Create, notifications, and settings. Once familiar with the interface, you can start using core features like creating invoices through Quick Create. This involves setting transaction preferences, entering detailed invoice information, and saving or sending the invoice. At the same time, exploring the settings section allows you to customize how your organization and different modules operate within the system. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.